Good morning, everyone. This is the second part on the introduction of e-commerce technologies. Today we'll be discussing about what are electronic business and e-commerce. So let us first look at what is electronic business. It comprises of three components, that is e-marketing, e-commerce and e-operations. First of all, what is e-marketing? Building an online presence showcasing a company and providing detailed information, in which the majority of small businesses on the internet today are actively doing e-marketing. We are not talking about big businesses. Small businesses are also doing e-marketing nowadays. So, what is e-commerce? Selling products and services online, conducting payment, handling transaction details, and supporting automated customer inquiries. So, in the end, what are e-operations? Streamlining of business processes and steps to enhance business efficiencies between functional departments of a company. This also includes streamlining the supply chain between your company and the key supplier. But you have to remember that when we are talking about electronic business, electronic marketing, e-commerce, e-operation, the core thing that we rely on is the network technologies and the market theories, etc. As we already discussed about the internet and World Wide Web. So what are the processes in e-business? There are three things that you have to remember, that is why, what and how. Why is known as the customer relationship, what is the redesigning business processes inside and outside, and how you are going to apply the technology. So let us discuss about why we are doing, or what we say why for the business e-business process is how you can connect to your customers from to the internal system to share information. So every time when the information is given, you have to keep it in the loop for the customer. Then how you can improve the distribution of the products and services utilizing the best standards on the subject. So you have to redesign your business processes, and at the end, how you can visualize the new technology capabilities will help you, and how to make it happen. So for this e-business processes, the challenge is to create solution to strengthen the ties between customer and suppliers, improving the timing as well as the precision of responses to needs, thus transforming customer supplier relationships into client supplier association. You have to remember this, that we are moving from customer supplier relationship towards client supplier association. Why we need e-business? The information economy will make all organizations reassess their position with respect to their customer supplier relationship, as we already discussed about that we are moving towards client supplier association rather than customer supplier relationship. So in order to move from that quadrant to client supplier association, we need e-business. E-business is bound to come, and unless we are able to cope with the changes in the world that are happening so rapidly, our competitiveness will decline. This is a clear testament to the power of a new information based economy, and a warning to all the companies that inertia must be overcome and change should be embraced. We are not doing business in like what we used to do in 1950s. Now technology plays a very important role in doing businesses and expanding the businesses. So now we'll talk about what is e-commerce. In different books you will find different definition regarding electronic commerce. But in a broad sense, it is the use of computer network to improve organizational performance, increasing profitability, gaining market share, improving customer services, delivering of product faster. That are some organizational performance gain possible with the electronic commerce. So in a nutshell, you can say electronic commerce is more than ordering goods from an online system. It can be advertising, buying and selling, electronic distribution, direct client interaction for marketing and customer service, groupware, email, electronic collaboration, workflow automated form distribution, and so many other things. So in electronic business, you have electronic commerce. Inside electronic commerce, you will be having internet commerce. In that you have electronic data interchange, electronic fund transfer, and web commerce. That we are going to discuss in the future lectures. What are those things? So in a nutshell, what we are talking about is e-commerce. So any transaction that is being done over the internet, selling product and services online, handling transaction detail, automated customer inquiries, all thing will come under electronic commerce. So why we use different models? Because when we talk about e-commerce model, it's a basic model for competitive strategy based on the principle of low cost, high volumes, and comprehensive service, combined with product range unapproachable through traditional channels. So in the later part, we are going to discuss about the strategy. Thanks for listening to this video.